Yay! Finally done working on the jigsaw puzzle with 2,000 pieces! I'm so proud of myself, baby. Hi guys, we're back and hi Wade. Wade. Today is we're gonna go to Hobby Lobby to buy some materials for our jigsaw puzzle. We are already done. Yay! We've done it. The 2,000 pieces of jigsaw puzzle in about a week, and so we are planning now to put this in a frame. So we will be buying a glue, and I think we already have this wax paper, and yeah, that's what we are gonna be buying while we were out. And some more, babe, that we need to buy while we were out.
Well, we're gonna look. We'll look and see what kind of frames they have, and if this is something we can do ourselves, or if this is something we want to take and have framed after we've.
There's a tutorial on YouTube that I found. I think I could do it.
Well, if we can find that snap-on frame they had, yeah, I think we could.
Yeah. Oh, and by the way, since we're done with this one, yeah, we're gonna look for another jigsaw puzzle that we can work on. Because Wade and I decided that instead of us buying some frames for our walls, we will just buy jigsaw puzzles and make it our own. So it's like there's a labor of love, and then we will do the framing of it, and then we're gonna hang it on the wall. Masyado pa rin mainit dito guys. It's already 5:26 p.m. and meron pa din kaming dalang mask.
If you can take a small measure to avoid the stupid virus, then you do it.
Hobby Lobby, Flower Mound, Texas, and looking for a parking space. There you go, baby.
It is not much.
Yeah. Not much options for the jigsaw puzzle.
Here, there's 3 puzzles here, 500 pieces each. 1,500, 3-panel puzzle.
Just 1,000. Let's go for.
That's 1,000.
We want like the 1,000.
Oh, so these are all the. Oh no, they're all the same.
They're all the same. This one is 1,500. 478.
Or
the glue.
The glue.
I'll be right here. So wala dito guys, maliliit lamang yung jigsaw puzzle, around 500 to 1,000 pieces. Kailangan namin ng over 2,000 at least. So we might go to Target. This snake toy is very long. So we got this Mod Podge. And now we're heading to the frame section to find a frame that's not together for the puzzle. Meron silang frame pero nalimutan namin yung dimension. Kaya i-order na lang siguro namin sa Amazon. Then, andito na kami sa Target. Hopefully meron silang mga madaming choices. It's not here. Yeah, we're in the wrong aisle. Toys and games. There you go.
There you go.
Another 500 pieces.
Yeah, I don't see. Oh, here's a Harry Potter one.
And how many pieces are there? Just 300. Oh no. We want more. Same thing. Madami ng jigsaw puzzle ang na-sold out. Ang dami ng mga Americans na nag-jigsaw puzzle because of this pandemic. So we're heading to the last resort, which is going to Walmart.
You got the double whammy. Pandemic, and it's, 105 outside. So people are inside doing jigsaw puzzles, I guess.
Yeah.
Sold out.
Lagi kong nakakalimutan na. Is it?
Yeah, just a little. There you go. Perfect.
Yeah. Now, I don't know what's the difference between slamming the door and just closing the door. Yeah. Holy moly. Wade always reminds me not to slam his door kasi it's a new car. The vans in the Philippines are really old. The passenger vans. So you need to slam it to close. Sana meron na sa Walmart. Kasi if you're gonna order from Amazon, it will take about 2 to 3 days to arrive. And I'm just so excited to start our new Jigsaw puzzle.
Bet we could get it quicker than that. We're Prime members. I bet we could get it in a day. I bet if we got home and ordered it this evening, it'd be delivered before 9 o'clock.
Oh, great. Nakalimutan ko ang aking sunglass. Pero it's not really very hot today compared to the previous days. So, nakakaya pa na aking mata na walang sunglass. Cotton patch.
Yeah, cotton patch.
I forgot to use the alcohol too. Texas Health Harris Methodist Hospital, South Lake. Sa hospital pala to ni Wade. Doon siya nagtatrabaho. Ano lang siya, lagi naka-ready dito sa car. We have a very fine, bright, sunny weather here in Texas summer. Stop muna kami.
They've got some Disney ones.
Grabe, marami talagang bumibili ng puzzle ngayon.
Many on the beach.
Yeah, it's very kiddie.
Yep. And then these don't have much.
Wala ang puzzle dito guys. So, ito lang binili namin ni Wade. Fried chicken for dinner. Ito guys, mga prices dito. $14.27 para sa ganyan. Wow. We're heading straight home now. Wala talaga kaming nabili na puzzle. So, we're gonna try when we get home. We'll log in the computer and sa Amazon Prime if we have choices there.
Takes to get it. I think it'll be pretty quick.
Yeah.
To get one from them if we find one you like.
Yeah. Because you're a member, right?
Yes. Because we are Amazon Prime members.
What is this guy doing?
I don't know.
Really?
Well, he's stopping. That's what he's doing. That's what she's doing. She's holding up traffic. That's what she's doing. Currently stuck at a railroad crossing. Well, the train's gone now. We've been waiting on a freight train and it just finally passed.
Yeah. Wow, and the sun is so big right in front of us. That is the Texas summer, gabi guys.
It's 10 after 7 at night. It is so bright.
Summer na summer sa Texas, kaya sobrang init. 7:20 PM na, pero meron pang daylight hanggang 9 PM yata ito. Kainit ba? Yan guys, nakauwi na kami. And sobrang gutom na. Kaya we're gonna eat right away. Ang dilim-dilim ng earth dito. Ayan.
These are all 2,000 piece puzzles here.
2,000? That's great.
Look at that one.
Yeah. So guys, since you have not found a jigsaw puzzle In the 3 stores that we have visited today, we decided to go on Amazon Prime. And they have a jigsaw of the Starry Night by Vincent van Gogh.
Yeah.
That one is very nice. But this one is very popular. Grabe guys, yung Starry Night ni Van Gogh na 2,000 pieces na jigsaw puzzle. Ang mahal, $79. So yan ang na-order namin guys. It's a 1,000 Starry Night, famous painting of Van Gogh. Yan, and darating siya this Saturday. Yay! Well, ito na guys, yung natapos namin, nauna naming puzzle. And we're so excited to start the new one this weekend.
It'll be fun.
Yeah! Well, this is all for now guys. Thank you so much for dropping by our channel. Please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe down below to follow our Buhay Jumerika vlog. Bye-bye!